So first of all, I would like to express my appreciation for this very exciting convention showing very attractive new products. It was very nice to see so many different case studies, and it is amazing the capacity that YellowScan had to bring here so many people from universities, Institute of Research, key users, and it was pretty nice, yeah.
We had the opportunity as well to do some networking during the event, talking about data acquisition, data treatment. We also had the opportunity to see what the others were doing using YellowScan sensor.
It was great to meet all the YellowScan family and also to have new connections in the industry. I'm a hydrographer, so I'm a water guy, but I also met a lot of friends here who shared the same passion with me, and it was great to see the great results they proved with the YellowScan products.
The live product demos were also very interesting, as well as the workshops, the technical workshops that were made just after the demos. So we had the ability to see the sensor both on the flight and also on the computer using a cloud station. We were driven by the YellowScan team to be able to manipulate the data, classify, export DTM, DEMs. That was very interesting for us to discover all these parts as well.
And it was great to put my hands on some softwares and to see that the technology is developing really fast. So now you can do things with only 2 clicks, while 10 years ago you need to spend hours and hours cleaning data and doing the same things in 10 times more time.
Obviously the bathymetric LiDAR system has caught some attention, and for me that is also a very interesting application, and using it in water coastal mapping is one of my areas of interest.
We are very excited to become a YellowScan customer very soon, I hope, and be part of their family as well.